Hey everyone, welcome back to our podcast.
Hi guys, we're so happy you are here with us today.
Today's topic is very useful. English at school.
Yes, we will learn simple classroom English. You can use these sentences every day.
So if you are a student, this is perfect for you.
And even if you are not a student, don't worry. These are basic English sentences.
Before we start, don't forget to like and subscribe.
And practice with us. Speak out loud. Don't be shy.
All right, let's begin. Part 1. Entering the classroom. First situation. You enter the classroom.
Very common, very simple English.
You can say, "Good morning, teacher."
Repeat after me. Good morning, teacher.
Again, "Good morning, teacher."
Good job.
If it is afternoon, you say, "Good afternoon, teacher."
Simple change. Morning, afternoon.
Now listen to a short conversation.
Teacher. Good morning. Student. Good morning, teacher.
Now you try. Say it.
Nice. You're improving already.
Part 2. Asking for permission.
Now let's learn how to ask for permission.
This is very important in school. You can say, "May I come in?"
Repeat. May I come in?
Again, "May I come in?"
Good.
Another useful sentence, "May I go out?"
This means you want to leave the classroom.
Repeat, "May I go out?"
Now listen to a short dialogue.
Student, "May I come in?" Teacher, "Yes, come in."
Your turn. Speak it.
That's a great effort.
Part 3. Asking questions.
Now, what if you don't understand something?
Good question.
You can say, "I don't understand."
Repeat. I don't understand.
Again, "I don't understand."
You can also say, can you repeat, please?
Very useful.
Repeat. Can you repeat, please?
Let's make a conversation. Student, "I don't understand." Teacher, "Okay, I will explain again."
Student. Can you repeat, please? Teacher. Yes, listen again.
Now you try speaking both lines.
Take your time. No rush.
Part 4. Classroom actions.
Now we learn classroom actions.
Things teachers say. Open your book.
Repeat. Open your book.
Close your book.
Repeat. Close your book.
Write this.
Repeat. Write this.
Listen carefully.
Repeat. Listen carefully.
Now listen to a classroom scene.
Teacher. Open your book. Teacher. Write this. Teacher. Listen carefully.
Now you say it like a teacher.
Nice. That sounded good.
Part 5. Talking with classmates.
Now let's talk with classmates.
Simple and friendly English.
You can say, can I sit here?
Repeat. "Can I sit here?"
Can you help me?
Repeat. "Can you help me?"
Thank you.
Repeat. "Thank you."
Short conversation time.
Student A, "Can I sit here?"
Student B. Yes, you can.
Student A, "Can you help me?"
Student B. Sure.
Now your turn.
Great job. Keep going. Part 6. Homework talk.
Now let's talk about homework.
Very common topic.
You can say, "I did my homework,"
Repeat. I did my homework.
or "I didn't do my homework."
Repeat. I didn't do my homework.
Example conversation.
Teacher, did you do your homework?
Student, "Yes, I did."
Or, student, no, I didn't.
Now you try both answers.
Good. That's real English.
Part 7. End of class. Now the class is ending.
Time to go home.
You can say, "Thank you, teacher."
Repeat. Thank you, teacher.
See you tomorrow.
Repeat. See you tomorrow.
Short dialogue.
Student. Thank you, teacher. Teacher. You're welcome.
Student, "See you tomorrow."
Teacher. See you.
Now you say it. Nice work.
Wrap up.
All right, let's quickly review.
Today we learned good morning. May I come in? I don't understand. Can you repeat? Open your book. Can you help me? I did my homework. Thank you, teacher.
These are simple, real-life sentences.
Use them every day. Practice again and again.
Listen, speak, repeat.
That's how you improve.
You're doing great. Keep going.
And now a fun question for you.
Tell us in the comments, what do you say to your teacher every day?
We would love to read your answers.
See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone. Keep practicing.